Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Kill Bill inspo outfit inspo on Dress to Impress. I know the sword is not a katana or whatever it is. Actually, I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair. For the hair I use this in blonde, position the same, rotate the Z to 0.45 and scale it to 0.56. Then I use this hair here in the Only Bangs toggle in blonde. No adjustments made on that. For the outfit you don't need VIP except if you want the sword. I'm just going to get the shorts in the pants toggle, color it this yellow here, FFB615, and color the rest in black. Grab these shoes here and color the first one white, and then the second and third toggle black. And the fourth one, color the laces a little bit darker, C08910. For the jacket, I'm just going to use this one in yellow, and then the rest in obviously black. And then, there. And then I'm just going to grab the sword here and color just the handles all black. So first and third and fourth toggle. That's it, super easy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.